Our next transaction is of 19 January, and it says send all items to Mr. Abu Bakr against previous sales order. That means earlier we have recorded the sales order, which is now converted to sales invoice. Whenever you deliver the items, sales order is converted to sales invoice. So the treatment is very simple. I'll go to customers and sales and go to sales invoice and click on new sales invoice. Now, as soon as I select customer Abu Bakr, you will notice that this all area turns in gray area. That means you have to manually select it if you want to apply it against a sales order, or you can go to separate tab if you want to book a new invoice. Right now we want to apply a sales order to the invoice, so I'll just select 55. Now it shows all the details of the order that customer made earlier. So the transaction is that all items are delivered. So that means I'll ship all these items with the same quantity, 12, 10 and 5. This makes the total to 652,000. You can mention the invoice number here, and the date is 19 January. So 19 January is my date, and then we will save it. Now whenever you will save, every customer has a default credit limit set. So that's why it shows the prompt that it will go over the credit limit. Do you want to continue? I'll continue with yes. So that's how we book sales invoice. If you want to go back and check the sales effect, you can just click on journal to see the double entry effect of it. In the next video, I'll also show you how to change the credit limit of the customers.